Are you looking for a great way to enhance your natural lip? Do you have full, beautiful lips and you want to choose the right lip color, or you want to make them appear larger? Well, this is how you do it. My name is Sylvia Russell, and today I'm going to show you how to make your lips fuller. Now, first thing you want to do is choose the right lip color. Choose bolder colors than you would usually wear. Now, don't go too bold because we don't want it to be something that's uncomfortable for you to wear. What I've chosen is a nice soft red, and I'm going to go ahead and simply apply it right on the lip line. Now, you don't want to overdraw on the lip. This is a little uncomfortable to wear, and it'll look a little funny if you're not in full makeup. But if this is just for the day and you want your lips to look beautiful, go ahead and line right on the lip line. Now, this is a great way to enhance your naturally large lip. It's also a great way to make smaller lips appear larger. So as you can see, I simply just lined directly on her natural lip, like so. Now, a great thing to do is use the same lip liner and fill in the lip. It's a lot longer than regular lipstick, so it's a great way to and you are creating a nice, voluptuous lip color. And you don't have to worry about it coming off too easy. Now, last but not least, simply take a corresponding or a lip color, lip shine that is in the same shade as the lip color that you just applied. And this is just going to add that little extra punch that you want for your nice, voluptuous lips. Now, it can be a day color, but this is kind of like going from day to night. You can achieve this same look on a nice sheer pink or a nice sheer mauve, something that you can wear to work. Remember, creating a nice full lip is easy, it's simple, and you can do this at home. My name is Sylvia Russell, and this is how you can achieve a beautiful large lip with lip color and lipstick.